अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन वल आक़िबतु लिल मुत्तक़ीन वस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला रसूलिहिल करीम मुहम्मदिन व अला आलिहि व सहबिहि अजमईन अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम उत्लु मा ऊहिया इलैका मिनल किताबि वअक़िमिस सलाह इन्नस-सलाता तन्हा अनिल फ़हशाइ वल मुनकर सदक़ल्लाहुल अज़ीम। My respected teachers, audience and my fellows, my today's topic is prayer, which is very important topic because it's connected to our daily life 5 times a day, and it's directly connected to Allah Almighty as well, as it's the first important pillar of Islam after monotheism. So pray to God that may Allah give us tawfiq to speak right and follow the teaching of Islam in every sphere of life. My dear listeners, Salah is an Arabic word which basically means dua, prayer and worship. It's obligatory for every Muslim, both man or woman, to pray 5 times a day. And it's a physical and spiritual act of worship. And Allah Ta'ala emphasized in the Holy Quran, وَأَقِمِ الصَّلَاةَ لِذِكْرِي, and establish Salah to remember me. Dear listener, it means that Salah is a better form to remember our God, Sustainer, Creator and Master. The Prophet Muhammad was one of the biggest remembrers of Allah Almighty, who used to say, قُرَّةُ عَيْنِي فِي الصَّلَاةِ, the coolness of my eyes lies in the Salah. And Allah Ta'ala mentioned in the Holy Quran, Utlu ma uhiya ilayka min al-kitabi wa aqimis salah. Recite what is sent of the book by inspiration to you. Establish salah. Inna salata tanha anil fahshai wal munkar. Surely salah perceived from shameful and unjust deeds. My dear dignitaries, it means that if we offer salah completely according to the sunnah, if we offer salah as the Prophet Muhammad used to offer salah, if we offer salah as the companion of Prophet Muhammad used to offer salah, then surely our salah will perceive us from these sins and crimes. But nowadays, many people pray Salah regularly, but in spite of that, they do various shameful things and crimes. Remember, the people whose prayer don't perceive them from these sins. It means that their Salah without khushu and khuzu. It means that their Salah without soul. Their prayers are not like the prayer of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Their prayers are not like the prayer of Sahaba. My dear listeners, the first thing will be asked from us in the hereafter Salah. If our Salah will be accepted, all our other deeds will be accepted. And if our Salah will be rejected, all our other deeds will be rejected. As Prophet Muhammad declared, أَوَّلُ مَا يُحَاسَبُ بِالْعَبْدُ الصَّلَاةِ, the first thing for which a man is subjected to renewing his Salah. فَإِنْ قُبِلَتْ قُبِلَ سَائِرُ عَمَلِ وَإِنْ رُدَّتْ رُدَّ عَلَيْهِ سَائِرُ عَمَلِ. If they are completed, all his other deeds will be completed. And if they are rejected, all his other deeds will be rejected. My dear brothers, missing Salah is the biggest sin in the sight of Islam. In some hadith, it's called kufr. As Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Man taraka as-salata muta'ammidan faqad kafar." The person who forsakes prayer certainly he did kufr. And the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said in another place, "As-salatu imaduddin, faman hadamaha hadamaddin." The prayer is the pillar of religion. Who forsakes prayer has destroyed religion. My dear listeners, the difference between Islam and Kufr is Salah. So pray to God that may Allah give us tawfiq to pray Salah regularly. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen.